Hello YouTube. This is gonna be the biggest padlock or monster lock. Okay, it may not look big, but like, okay. First of all, look how fucking huge it is to my hand. Like, it's like a fucking fist. Okay, trying to pair it to something. Okay, I see something may help, may not. Okay, you see this pot plant? Look how fucking. Okay, this is at least a foot tall. This thing, and this is like half of it, or a little less, but here. Well, see this thing in action. I don't know if it's true or not. Alright, I'm gonna start to hold the camera while doing something else. Okay, I got this. Let's put it there. The camera may be making it look kind of small, but hey, look at the key. Okay, there we go. Now it looks taller. Look how fucking round that is. You can see it. It's as big as my fucking finger. Thank you for watching. Sorry to say this, but time to end the video.